Hey, Mike here again with AK Manufacturing, running some custom parts for a customer today. We're taking this part right here and putting that groove into it, a specific width and depth, and we're doing it on our Haas VF4 CNC machine. John's over here right now. He's loading up another part, banging it down to make sure it's seated well. And in just a minute, he's going to shut the door and let the machine do the magic. Check everything on the screen, make sure everything looks good to go. Hit the button, green light comes on. Change out the tool. Tool coming down. Here we go. That's the CNC for you. Wonderful piece of machinery. Makes some wonderful parts. Haas VF4.